Okay, let's go through this question. So we have these two tangents to the circle intersecting at the origin. Find the gradient of these two tangents. Okay, so I think the problem just now is because I never draw to scale. So this one is the drawn to scale. So for example, right, the center of circle is 5, 2. And then they say that got two tangents. So let's just say passes through the origin. So let's just say okay, this is the first one. Then I want to find then the second one is right here. So you can see that the second one is actually a negative gradient. Okay, so now we can draw a radius here. Radius here. So this is 90 degree, 90 degree. Now of course don't forget to draw a line right here. Okay, of course we want to determine what is this angle first. So how do I determine this angle? You simply just use Tuakaso, right? Because apparently you can see this part is the 5. Then this vertical one is the 2. So you just use tan theta equal to 2 over 5. So you do the calculation, of course you will get something like 2 divided by 5. Okay, about 21.80140949 degree. Okay, so with this, right, I know what is this angle already. Okay, so now we want to determine what is the whole of this angle right here. So the whole of this angle. Okay, so apparently we know the radius is square root 10, the hypotenuse is square root 29, the so-called adjacent is about square root 19. So you just use tan. Use anything. So for me, I use tan again. So tan theta, right, is equal to square root 10 over square root 19. So so this will give you square root 10. Okay, so of course theta will be 35.95999.369 degree. So this 35.999 is actually referring to all this angle. So what I want to do now, right, is actually to just determine what is this red color angle right here. Okay, so I simply just use 35.95999.369 minus of 21.80140949. So let me just do the first calculation. Okay, so I'll get about 14.1585842 degree. Okay, so now it's time to determine what is the gradient, right? Purple color gradient. So for example, I draw the x-axis. I draw this one. Okay, this one is the gradient I want to find, right? So apparently you can see that this is 14.1585, so and so forth. Okay, but when you want to determine the gradient, don't put positive because you are rotating in this direction, right? So means you want to put a negative to it. So just put, so for example, gradient is equal to tan theta, right? So tan theta is negative 14.1585842 degree. So let's do the calculation. Okay, so the first gradient I get is negative 0.252. So that's the first answer. Okay, what about the second one? The second one obviously is a positive gradient, right? So for example, okay, positive gradient, I want to determine what is the whole of this green color angle. Then I can solve already. Okay, so of course, I already have the purple color angle right here. So it's about 21 point something. Yeah, 21 point something. Okay, now it's time to determine what is this angle. This one is simple because we know that this part is square root 10, this part square root 19, using the tangent from external point. So I simply just use tan theta is equal to square root 10 over square root 19. So of course theta, right, should be the thing. Okay, so tan square root 10 divided by square root 19. So it's about 35, 35.959, so and so forth. So next, I draw the thing again. So for example, I draw this axis. I draw this line. So this angle right here will be the black color plus the purple color one. So meaning 21.8, right, you plus 35. So this will give you 1.80140949. So it's about 57. 4031. degree. Then can solve already. Because the 57 point something is actually referring to this part. This part. Yep. So done. 57.7 something is equal to gradient. So let me just press in the calculator. Okay, so my gradient, my second gradient is 1.59 like that. So the two answers will be 1.59 and negative 0.252. So that's how we do.